going to uncheck them. That's why you can find the background. So I'll move on to file, go to save as, and select the PNG format. That was the first phase of this tutorial. The second one is now on how to apply it in your video editing software. So I'm going to use Sony Vegas Pro 16. I'll be right back. Welcome back. So all you need is head over and do whatever editing you wanna do, and at the end you add it to the last 20 seconds. So since this is the end of my video, I will now need to place my outro template as front where the video ends, and stretch it to meet 20 seconds. So this is a video I recently did. As you can see, I applied a background video. That is the background video playing. So after rendering your video, you are going to head up to YouTube, select the video you want to apply YouTube end screen template, go to edit video, go down to YouTube end screen, add layer or add element, go to video, create, you pick a video, and then you go to create element. So you see that you cannot attach an element onto another. That is why you find the red box, the red background. So it must be attached separately, and it must not go beyond this light blue lines as you can see, but your text can go beyond these lines. So that was that on how to create YouTube end screen outro template with Photoshop, how to attach to your video editing software, and finally how to apply them into your YouTube video. Check on the link in the description on how to add YouTube end screens. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of our online videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.